If you want to make your spreadsheet easier to read, knowing how to show grid lines in LibreOffice Calc is a simple but very useful trick. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can turn grid lines on in just a few clicks. This is especially helpful if your spreadsheet looks too plain, if you want to see where each cell starts and ends, or if you're working on data entry, budgeting, tracking, or any other table-based task. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center with different options for creating a new file. On the left side, look under the Create section and click Calc Spreadsheet. This will open a brand new spreadsheet where you can adjust the display settings. Now that Calc is open, look at the top of the window. You'll see the main menu bar with options like File, Edit, View, View, Insert, and more. Click on View. This menu controls how your spreadsheet is displayed on the screen, and it contains the setting we need. After clicking View, look for the Gridlines option in the drop-down menu. Click Gridlines to enable it. Once you turn it on, you should immediately see the grid lines appear across your spreadsheet, making the cells much easier to distinguish. If you don't notice a big change right away, don't worry. Grid lines are usually subtle by design, but they help define each cell clearly and make your sheet much easier to work with. This is especially useful when you're entering information, aligning data, or trying to avoid mistakes while editing rows and columns. And that's it. You've now shown grid lines in LibreOffice Calc. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable your spreadsheet feels to use. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one. And if you want to learn more LibreOffice tips and tricks, check out the next video on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.